What's up? It's Corona here from Certified Producer, and it's almost Christmas time, so today we're gonna make some beats that has some Christmas vibes. So let's get started. Okay, so we're here in FL Studio. I have no idea what I'm gonna make, so I'm just gonna go on the fly with this. So let's start off with, what should we start with? The melody? Yeah, let's just open a piano and we'll figure out the melody. I've drawn in some melody here. Let's listen to it. Okay. I know what, I'm just gonna draw in the chords below the melody. So you know what would sound good with the melody? Bells. We need some bells. Yep. Definitely need some bells. But I want the chords. I want the chords on an organ. So let's just copy this. Let's open up. I think this would sound nice. Let's see. Yep, this'll do. Okay, now time to get some bells. Do have a preset made here. I think there's, yep, there we have it. We have some bells. I'm not gonna go with the melody here. I'm gonna do like a counter melody. Okay, we need to put them on a mixer track because they sound so loud. Okay, now we need to do some mixing. Let's try and put these bells, let's try and pan these bells left and right. So we'll do do it like this. Something like this. Yep. Okay. Okay, let's try and grab a kick and a snare, to get some rhythm going on. So let's put a double kick there. Oh yeah, I forgot the 808s. We need 808s. Let's match the 808 with the kick. So, there's a kick here. and then just copy that, and then add some notes to where the other kicks are. Yep, this is fine. We have a kick here as well. Yep. Bum, bum. Okay, all good. Since this is like a Christmas type beat, you know, dark trap beat, let's try some jingle bells and see if it works. Oh yeah, I almost forgot the hi-hats. Let's not forget the hi-hats. Okay, so we have some hi-hats here. I almost forgot the hi-hats. So let's try and get some triplets going on here. So let's find where the triplets should be placed at. Okay. Yep, another triplet there. Okay, yep. Okay. Okay, now we have the hi-hats. Let's just copy and paste that. Do we lack something? Yeah, I think the jingle bells. Yeah, I think it's better if I just throw in the jingle bells. Let's see, how are we gonna do this? I think I want the jingle bells to sound like. Now we have a loop. Let's try and like turn this into an arrangement. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move this. Gotta move this over here, and we're gonna have the piano and the organ play first. I guess. Yep. And then we'll have the hi-hats come in here. And we'll have some snares play like on the second part. Let's copy this. And copy this. Copy this. We'll have them come in on the second part here. And we'll have the ending the same as the intro. And we'll keep the jingle bells for the outro. Okay, now we have this little arrangement. I think I want some automations for the piano. Let's try and automate. You know, I'm just gonna automate the master for the low pass. So we'll have the master. We'll put in some low pass. Simple low pass. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna create automation clip. Okay, so I want something like this. And there you have your Christmas vibe beat. You know, the dark trap Christmas type beat. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. If you haven't joined our Discord, I'll leave the link in the description. Merry Christmas to y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.